What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy remote key fob. So this key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our smart key. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and the key will slide out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, the logo facing up, we're going to put the smart key in the slot that it came out of, but we're only going to put just the edge of it, just the tip of the key in there, and then use it to pry up on this back cover. Like that. Once it's started, you can just pull it the rest of the way off. And there's some button pads, and the board are just kind of floating in there. So if they come out of place, that's okay. If we take a look in the back cover, we see the battery right here. We can grab our key and use the edge of it just to help get the battery started. Get it out of there like that. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Plus side down. Go ahead and snap that into place. And then if you need to arrange your button pads or that rubber kind of grommet that's around the circuit board, make sure that's all sitting in there properly. And then go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.